Today, let's take a closer look at clean-in-place systems, or CIP for short, and what makes a valve suitable for this type of service. CIP is a method of cleaning process equipment like pipelines and tanks without disassembling. It's critical in industries like food and beverage and pharmaceuticals. These systems rely on a sequence of rinses and chemical washes including caustics, acids, and final water rinses. That means the valves used in CIP systems must not only be corrosion resistant, but also chemically compatible with all cleaning media. The most common body material for CIP compatible valves is 316 stainless, which resists both caustic and acidic solutions. Multi-port or sanitary style designs are engineered to eliminate crevices and avoid material choices that might trap or harbor contaminants. That means that internal geometries will likely be highly polished to help eliminate dead legs and reduce cleaning effort. And for items like seats and seals, PTFE or TFM 1600 is typically preferred for optimal chemical compatibility. In contrast, it's important to note that an RTFE, such as a glass-filled PTFE, as an example, can degrade in certain chemical environments, where a chemical may leach out the glass filler, creating voids that can later trap media. Bottom line, not all valves are CIP compatible. It takes careful attention to materials, design geometry, and system integration to ensure a successful and hygienic cleaning process. To learn more about valve selection for CIP systems or to evaluate your current setup, contact us by phone or email. Thanks for watching.